Hey guys, welcome to the show today. Excited you're with me. Today we got a new product which is called the Blackboard by Boogie Board. Now I always thought the Boogie Board was a thing that you rode at the beach, like you went on the sands with, but I guess I'm wrong because we have this thing here called the Blackboard by Boogie Board. It's a $30 some dollar, like $36 tablet. Maybe it'll replace my Remarkable. I doubt it when I'm looking at it, but I don't even know what we'll use this thing for. But let's take a look at it and see what it is. Let's open it up here. So when we open it up, I got the Fujitsu Quaderno coming this week too from Japan. One of the first ones, the A4, which is actually this size, which I'm excited about. Okay, so when we get in the box, it comes in this little thing here. Like I said, it's a $30 some little tablet. We have a board, and on the back is the instructions. Before use, practice these instructions and calibrate exact erase. So I've read a little bit about it. The exact erase is not the most impressive thing. They don't like, but it's a board, as you can see. Okay, and I just cleared it off. This button clears it off. And basically, I don't know how I use this thing. But let's see, you could trace with it, but they have a couple. I only got 2 things. I thought I was supposed to get more than 2. It says 4. Wait a minute. It says it comes with 4. Maybe they're on the back? Oh, duh. It's on the back. It shows 4, but it's front and back. So they have dots, they have blank, they have a calendar planner, and like lines. So let's put these in here. See, okay, it just slides in. And basically then you have a board, and I'm not going to calibrate it, but if I press this button it erases. So let's put something on here. We're going to write on it now. So we're going to write on it JB work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try to, okay, that's lock, unlock. So basically you write on it. I just erased it. And you just, it's kind of, it's not e-ink, guys. It's not e-ink like the Remarkable here. It's like a green, neon green, like from the 80s. And I keep hitting the wrong button. And you write on it, and it's kind of like a Blackboard. I could see this has some use. It's a little too, let me get it out of the light so you can kind of see it there. It's a little too glossy, but I could see like for like lists, if it had magnets, it could, like, you could put it on the refrigerator, right? Because the problem is it's only 1 page. If I was going to use it for notes, first of all, I don't like the palm thing blows. Like the palm thing, you can see like these marks. That's from my palm being on it. So that doesn't work well. So you have to keep your palm off of it. When you touch it with your palm, well, it's not bad. I guess just certain areas I got it there. That's a little better. For 30 some bucks, I guess you could use it like to trace things. You could take a picture with it. Not sure what that is. Let's see. That's supposedly an eraser, but that doesn't work. I don't know. I mean, I guess for me, I'm trying to find out exactly what I would use this for. I think it's basically like a note. I got to calibrate the eraser, which I haven't done. But I think it's more for like, I don't know, like a to-do list, like a Blackboard. I guess like it's called. It's a Blackboard. So if you had like cook. See, again, as I write, the palm thing's getting it. So that kind of bothers me. I like it to be clean. Like that's why I like e-ink devices so much. It's definitely big like a Blackboard. I think my A4 Quaderno that's coming is going to be the same size as this thing. So let me see. How would we use this thing? 1, 2, 3. You got to keep your palm off of it for lunch, dinner. Yeah, the only thing I could really see it for is like if you put it up, if you magnetized it and you made like, you put something like for your list, And that's what you would use it for. Because if you look, it's actually just kind of see-through. Can you see me in there? It's see-through, so you can actually draw me. I'm really at a loss because I bought this because I wanted to see what it was, right? I like to review tablets. I like the idea you can put things in here. It's kind of cool. Changed it to line paper. The erase function works really. It kind of reminds me of Electro-Sketch. Remember that where you? That's kind of what it reminds me of. But I'm just. I don't know. I mean, I'm really at a loss. In the comments, anybody that's using this thing, I would love to hear what you use this for, what you would use this for, this device. Again, like I said, if it had magnets, you could get some of those sticky magnets and maybe put it on the refrigerator and put notes. It could be like a whiteboard, or a blackboard or something. Like you could do math, like 2 + 2 = 14. I'll stick with my e-ink devices. I'm not sure. 1 + 1 + 1 = 3. Huh. Yeah, I guess, like I said, to-do list, I'm at a loss. So if you can put in the comments what you would use this for, that would be great. It's a $30-some tablet. I guess, like, maybe if, like, it's kind of like a little whiteboard. I mean, but electronic, right? I have one of those down there. It's kind of like a whiteboard. That's basically what it is, except it's electronic. The only problem I would have is like using it on video and stuff. It's kind of dark, so I got to get it in the camera for you to use it, like if I wanted to use it. I have a tendency to want to wipe it off, but you don't wipe it off. You just put stuff up there. So this is the Boogie Board Blackboard. I'll leave it up to you. I don't really think I can compare it to anything. It's a really weird, unique device. Again, it kind of reminds me of that 80s monochrome monitor with that color, like the green. And then you can lock it. I guess you press this button and you lock it. And now I can't do anything with it. I can't erase it. But I just pressed it and erased it. So, oh, that's the lock. It flips over that way. So if you put something on here, I guess you push it this way. And now I don't think I can erase it. Yeah, see? And then you push it this way, and then you can erase it. So yeah, a unique tablet. I think it's more of a fun thing. I can see how kids could play with it for like 5 minutes and maybe get a little bit bored. I think, you could get a mini whiteboard and do kind of similar things. I think, like, if somebody was like a tracer or something, I mean, you got to take pictures with it. But like, if you had a picture or something, like that maybe, and you wanted to write on it, I don't know. It is the Boogie Board Blackboard, kind of a unique, unusual device. I don't know where the pin goes. The marker's okay. Should probably. I saw a video where I had a place for the marker on here, kind of stuck on the side. Maybe it goes here, or maybe they clip it on here, this side. I don't know. There it goes. Okay, so there it is. There's your Boogie Board Blackboard. I'm not gonna really give it thumbs up, thumbs down. It's $30-some. I put the link in the bottom. I guess if it's something you want to use to kind of have kids use it, or maybe your to-dos or something, it can work. But I have a feeling this is going to end up in my closet and not work. Now, this is $35, where this is $300, $400, and the Fujitsu Quadrano I just bought is $700 plus. So that's a big difference. So for $30, if you want to write your to-dos on something or some notes or something, I think you get by with it. It's a good deal. But for a productivity system or some tool you're going to use, I don't think it's going to do much. Unless, like I said, you have magnets, you put it up on the wall or something. That's where it could be pretty cool. I think that's where I would use it. Like, if I had one thing, if I could use it for something, it'd be like my days. They've got this planner sheet, right? And you can put your days in there, and then what your week's going to set up. But obviously, I use my other devices for that. But that's about the only thing I could think about it for. All right. So as always, going to bring you more tech reviews and ideas. This one I just grabbed on Amazon. I thought I'd give it a shot. And I thought I would do a quick, like, kind of unboxing review for it. Didn't really do much for me, but it is something, like I said, maybe as a to-do thing, you might use it. you might put it up there. If you want to leave some comments of ways that you use it, remember my comment section, people come and use to talk about things. It could help you kind of decide if this is something what you would use, or hey, what do you use it for? Like a recipe, maybe you put the recipe up and stick it up on there, and you could look at it. I'll stick with my iPad and my Remarkable. All right, as always, thanks for watching. If you like this, push the like button. Love to have us subscribe. We're going to be renaming the channel real soon. I will let you know about that, and we'll keep bringing you more videos. So soon, the Quad Rhino will be here from Japan. We'll put that video up, and I'll do a little more detail with that one. But for this, I just wanted to kind of show it to you. All right, thanks for watching. Go have a phenomenal day.